Nova DVR XP, slow turning, very slow, 6 revolution per minute. You want to know how? Watch this video. In my last video, jeans and resin, I'll put the link here. Everybody asked me how come that my motor turns so slow and I'm using a Nova XP DVR, and the minimum speed on the Nova is 100 and some other lathes are 50. So Nova has got something called handbrake wheel, and everybody else got a handbrake wheel on their lathe. I used an old motor that I had that I'd done for a speed bry. If anybody doesn't know what's a speed bry, I'll put the link here for a speed bry that I made. It's a rotisserie for a complete lamp, and it has to have a lot of power and it's very slow. So I took out the motor. That's the motor that I had, and I created the bush. I turned the bush. The bush is from nylon, and the bush sits exactly perfectly in the handbrake. And of course on top, on the handbrake, you've got the Allen key. So when you put the Allen key in, it will not come out and it will turn. And if you see, I'll show you now. You will see the speed that it's turning. It's turning at about 6 revolutions per minute. It's doing a complete cycle of about 16 seconds to do a complete cycle. And that one allows me to put resin or paint and let it dry, and it doesn't pull it out from the speed, and it allows it to self-leveling this way. I reckon that every lathe's got a handbrake wheel in the back. Some of them got a place for a bush. That's actually the place that Nova made to put in a bearing for vacuum. I'll show you. Actually, you see, what I've done is the same thing. I've got a bearing, I've got a bush with a hole that sits on a pipe, and this one sits exactly inside here. And that's my vacuum chuck that I created. On the same system of the handbrake, on the handbrake wheel. It was a short video just to answer most of the people that how did I turn so slow my lathe. I think you can get any motor from any rotisserie, even from a rotisserie from a barbecue, but that's the idea that I made. By the way, any remarks or any response or anything down below, put your remarks. I'll answer all of them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ask any question, and if I know the answer, I'll give it to you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye-bye.